Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make faceless YouTube videos with AI. First things first, you have to pick a faceless friendly niche, such as motivation, tech reviews, finance, education, and so on. So once you have picked a specific niche or topic or anything for your YouTube channel, you can now copy this one or go to ChatGPT and ask for sample ideas such as titles or topics for this specific niche. For example, I want ChatGPT to generate at least a few topics that I can use for my YouTube channel. So here are the samples or the answer from ChatGPT. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick at least one here, for example, personal finance. I'm going to copy this one and then ask ChatGPT to create a sample script for me. You can use create a 10-minute sample script or 5-minute sample script for this one. So what you're going to do is just paste the idea that you have copied earlier and then enter. ChatGPT will give you a sample script for this one. Okay, so now that you have your script, what we're going to do is we're going to ask again ChatGPT for an image prompt that we're going to use for our faceless video. So you have to go to any editing tool or AI image generator such as Leonardo AI. Okay, there are tons, but I will be using Leonardo AI. Just create that account here. You can use the new or old version. Then here you can only use this 150 coins. On the left side, you can set the ratio, dimension, and the preset. And then after that, you have to go to this preset right here. You can change this one, for example, or for this tutorial, let's use this cinematic, or you can use any other presets here like anime. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the script. You can use another ChatGPT tab and then you can add here create an image prompt for this and then paste the script that we have copied earlier. After that, press enter. Then ChatGPT will give you the image prompt, and all you have to do is to copy this and then go back to Leonardo AI, paste the prompt up right here. Okay, I'm going to right click paste and then generate. Okay, so you have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes, and this is the result. If you're not satisfied, you can look for any other preset here, for example, anime, and it will show you some results right here. You could also add some prompt or keyword if you think that you want to add something like this. So I have to download these images. And then once you have downloaded the images that you want to use for your faceless video, what you're going to do next is you have to add a voiceover. And to do that, you have to go to 11 Labs. Actually, there are tons of text-to-speech tool, but I want to introduce 11 Labs this time. We're going to use 11 Labs. Anyways, if you want to do image to video, you can do that, but actually that is optional. Depends on you. So now let's go to the text-to-speech, which is the 11 Labs. Paste a script right here and then look for that specific voice that you want. So you can search for woman and then select that voice that you want to use. You can listen first before adding. For example, this one, Alice, is okay for me. So I'm going to add and generate a speech for this one using this audio or voiceover. Once I'm okay, I'm going to tap on download. And then for editing, I strongly suggest CapCut. So here you're going to add images, going to add voiceover, anything. And then you can add effects, you can add text, you can add transition, everything is up to you. So I'm going to add everything here. I'm going to edit and feel free to add more effects if you want. So once added the pictures, I'm going to add the audio or voiceover. I have added some effects and transitions, and here is the result.
To take control of your money but don't know where to start? In the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through 5 essential personal finance tips, from budgeting and credit scores to paying off debt.
So that's how easy it is to make faceless YouTube videos with AI. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.